Okay, so Justin did a little quick recording, and it's not for me, actually, the original. I just made fun of him for something in the recording, but then he re-recorded it, and I thought it would be funny to show, not funny, interesting to show, just to see how well Descript's Sound Studio feature that they do, where they clean up your audio and make it sound amazing, how well it does with something where Justin's deliberately trying to make it sound bad, like really bad plosives. So I'm just going to let it transcribe, which unfortunately you have to let it do. I kind of wish almost Descript just had like a clean up my audio button and then didn't. I love their little icon for tracks of the audio as a track, train track, get it? But it's actually under this. So let's go back to here. We're trying to eliminate
mouth noises like Peter Piper went to get a pizza. The way to eliminate...
So he's talking about how to use pop filter, right? Which is what I have. So let's just throw Studio Sound on here. It's going to work its magic in a few minutes or seconds. I'll speed it up maybe. Done. Okay. Let's see. Let's try it again now.
Which are those harsh mouth noises like Peter Piper went to get a pizza.
So, actually not great.
Which are those harsh mouth noises like Peter Piper went to get a pizza.
So probably like if, so let's turn it off for a second.
Harsh mouth noises like Peter Piper went to get a pizza.
Pretty bad. Like you wouldn't want to listen to that really over and over if he was doing a lot of P sounds.
Harsh mouth noises like Peter Piper went to get a pizza.
So let's just see actually now. I'm going to open this with RX8 just to compare. Okay. So let's see now with
about this far away and this way. The way to eliminate that is to put...
there we are. Yeah, so we got the plosives. Let's see, deplosive. Bring this over here. Let's go light removal. Render.
Mouth noises like Peter Piper went to get a pizza.
So you can still hear it. It's just that it's not attacking
Peter Piper went to get a pizza.
It's not attacking your eardrums the way it did when it's...
Peter Piper went to get a pizza. Mouth noises like Peter Piper went to get a pizza.
So that's their...
Mouth noises like Peter Piper went to get a pizza.
So definitely RX8 wins in that bout as far as fixing plosives, just purely based on how the RX8's or Descript's ability to do studio sound and just automatically hit a button and have it magically take care of everything, because everything else probably sounds pretty good.
Microphone doesn't pick up any of those mouth noises or plosives as you speak.
Because you can hear
your microphone, and
at least I can hear that there's a bit more echo or a bit more reverb. So
speak
in every other respect, probably it does sound pretty
about
good.
This far away, and this way, the microphone doesn't pick up any of those mouth noises or plosives as you
doesn't like you can hear that plosives.
Plosives as
like a little bit of Skypey stuff, so I could maybe dial it down a bit.
Noises or plosives as you
still gets a little Skypey, computery, digitally, whatever. Skypey is the word I used from like 10 years ago. Nobody knows what Skype is anymore. Anyways, that's a quick comparison of Descript Studio Sound and using Izotope's RX8 to clean up, which obviously requires a little bit more manual get in there, get your hands dirty, so to speak, cleaning up the audio, but does allow you to do more precise updates and fixes and things like that. Never mind all the other things that we could be doing to that to clean it up as well. Thanks for watching. I don't know where I'm going to put this. Maybe I'll put it on my YouTube channel if it actually works. So thanks for watching if I do. Like and subscribe. Bye.